And round 3 goes to Ratchet! And the Welcome to Gaspar! Yeah, let's go. Okay. I'm already at 30 minutes. Oh, crap. I'll fight you with a swing hook. I'll fight you with a hook. That hurt. Why am I doing that? Wallop these sons of bitches. Ow. As you can see, I suck at this part. I'm already on 1 health, so... And how long is it till another health upgrade comes? I don't know, 12 years? That's another thing I've noticed about my videos, is I always repeat jokes over and over again. I just need to say them once, and whatever the frick I say, and just leave it there. And I don't know what will happen, but... And I need to calm down with weird situations. Oh shit, I can go back? I need to calm down with weird situations that happen during things. Because I sound like a child when I play back my audio. Yeah! How do I shoot? Oh. Cause I sound like a child, like that wrong number video at Portal 2. Oh, like Portal Part 2. That was an annoying ass laugh. I realize that now. Wrong number. I'm just criticizing myself. There's a skill point that you can do with this crap, but I'm not gonna worry about it now because it annoys the hell out of me. Until now, I forgot you could do this. Of course. Anyway, these annoying ass sons of bitches. I hate them. Oh, damn. Damn it. Anyway, that was an annoying ass laugh. I mean, I'm criticizing myself, so you know it was bad. Would you like some rocket therapy? It's amazing how you can just destroy one thing with one tiny ass little... You're just destroying yourselves. What are you... I am now just noticing all these freaking shortcuts that I could have taken. Let's blow these guys up. They sound like balls. Like those bouncy balls that you hear. Oh shit. Oh god. No, 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 no. Don't play that. Don't play that. So now it loads up? What the frick? Close the program. Don't give a shit. I'm recording here. Sorry guys. I tried playing a video and it wouldn't play. Now it freaking plays. My computer is being really weird. Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, no, no, no! Fuck! Fuck! God damn it.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
I didn't want the mine glove anyway. Jeez. I do need ammo, though.
I got some great bargains for you.
And I got some great...
Oh, that's a nice one.
I don't know what to say there, to be honest. Okay, let's try this again. Once more with emotion. Ever played that improv game? Suck it. Suck it. Suck it. Ding ding, round 2. Ah! Does my audio sound better now in this Ratchet and Clank series now? Because now that I have a better headset. Okay, let's try this again. Oh my god, die, you stupid bomb. Alright, I'm tired of you. Really? That kills them in one shot? That would have been nice to know. I keep looking on my Odyssey, see how loud that was, and it just looks loud. It looks loud. Yeah, that sentence makes total sense. Go subscribe to PewDiePie, he's awesome. Ah, crap, advertisement again. Just die. No one likes you. There it goes with the balls again. Oh, shit! Go away! Stupid ass motherfucker. Okay. I also understand that I need to calm down with my swearing too. I mean, sometimes I just do it, just swear. What the hell? You're just destroying yourself. It's so emo. Ah, crap! I have a feeling I just swear just to swear. But I get it. I need to calm down with my mouth. I was actually bitched at. I was actually yelled at today. Yeah, better context. Because I was talking to my friend about this asshole at school, and then he was saying the same thing on how much of a dick he was. But anyway, the teacher bitches at me just like, hey, stop with the F-bombs. I'm just like, I like to talk to my friend, and I freaking snapped at her. I felt bad. Don't worry, I felt bad. I apologized, but sometimes just, if I swear, just let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let me just say, okay, I'll admit, it was a good movie. But anyway, just, I get that swearing's bad. I'm trying to work on shit. Fuck you. Anyway, I'm trying to work on my swearing. Oh crap. But just sometimes I can't help it. It's just my family just sometimes annoys the hell out of me, and my dad swears a lot. And just, is there something I can do up here? But anyway, I just sometimes I get annoyed the hell out of, and it feels great to have a little bit of freedom while at school, which is basically not freedom, but hopefully this sets a checkpoint. That made a lot of sense. You suck. You suck. You suck. My wrench. You suck. You suck. You fucking suck. Find the bombs. Oh, there's one. There's two. There's three. There's four. Any others? No, there's six. There's seven. No, there's six. Just six. Remember, always destroy everything. No, I guess it's a... destroy my pretties. Oh, shit! There's four of them. Really? You guys are getting destroyed by a tiny little robot? Isn't that almost pathetic? Wow. Actually doing a little better on this planet than I normally do. Oh shit. love it. I just have to sit back and watch it. Alright, one more quick advertisement, just because apparently that's what I do, and I'm a dumbass for it. Five Nights at Freddy's, it's the new horror game, right? I don't plan on recording it, because I'm bad with horror shit. My friend and I, Kaylin, you know the one from Minecraft: The Dark Descent. That was with me in that episode. Kaylin and I are thinking about. Well, actually, I'm thinking about doing it with him because he doesn't plan on playing the game either. So I told him we should face our fears and play it once and record it. But I don't know. I mean, it'd be great for a scary montage. But I will only do it if he agrees to do it. So about Five Nights at Freddy's. I don't know. It's just I get that I'm kind of a coward. Let me just say I'm a huge shit. I'm a huge coward. Let me say that. I mean, to be honest, I've never made it through one game of Slender, and I'm going to. But I purchased Amnesia, and I realized that sometimes I need to face my fear, sometime, and so I'll need to figure it out. But anyway, don't expect Five Nights at Freddy's, but if it does, then just that's the story.
Now this is cool.
It's a helmet. Yeah, I found the pilot's helmet. This should be useful. Okay. Now, I haven't forgotten. Because this leads me down to that, right? Anyway. But there is something that you can do. See this hole right here? You jump to it. And then go down. It's a gold bolt trail. Oh shit. This is the most annoying gold bolt trail of them all. I hate this, but I need to get it sometime, right? Oh crap! No. Ah, damn it! Surprised my audio wasn't cut out yet. I shouldn't jinx it. Let's do the bomb glove. Boom, boom, boom. Screw you. Don't touch this. It's hot. You'll die if you do. Holy shit! I need to be careful, cause. Oh no! 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 Maybe the bomb glove would become so useful in this situation. Holy shit. Okay. Do bullets disappear over time? Holy shit. Okay. Oh crap. Die. Can I kill two birds with one stone? Ah, damn it! Fudge! Oh, I'm back here. How dipply damn perfect. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Alright, so. Sorry, I bumped my microphone. Oh, let's go. $46 minutes, jeez. That's another thing. I need to stop. Oh, crap. Screw you. God damn it. Die. That's the other thing. There's no health in here. I need to stop saying how many minutes I have recorded in my videos, because that... It really doesn't matter as long as you get the content, right? Holy crap. Alright. I really should get the Walloper. Shit. Walloper's actually really useful with these dipshits. How useful is the Walloper in this? Are you kidding me? I already love this boxing glove. They should sell this on eBay. A guy tells me to... A guy asked me, you guys done... And I just wallop him. That really does sound like a boxing term. Shit. You've just been walloped. You've been walloped. You've been walloped the crap out of. Didn't make sense. Gives a fuck. Holy. Ow. Screw you. Okay, bomb glove time. Damn it! It's an intergalactic boxing match, I swear to God.
Hi there, Fuzzball. I got some great bargains for you today.
Son of a bitch. Alright, this is gonna turn into an intergalactic boxing match. Here we go. Not even in the game. It'll be me in the console. Just, I'll tell it, you get outside, and I'll grab my favorite boxing glove. Just smash the shit out of it. I should shut the fuck up. Ding ding. Round 3, motherfucker. Ding ding. Screw you, you son of a bitch. There should be a gadget where if you smash an enemy in the face, you get an extra health. Why not? So one thing about Ratchet and Clank, there's not too much healing opportunities. Son of a fuck. You just killed your own guy. How you feel now? Okay, it's time. It's time. It'll be gloves to the rescue. Glove of Doom. Boxing glove. Bomb glove. Nah, shit! It wasn't even me this time. It was the frickin'... Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm dead. Destroy them, my pretties. Okay, I need to watch what I do. Holy shit, that was a bad idea. I'm just gonna hide like here, around here like a wuss while our little robots take care of everything. And, nah, shit, there's still one more. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, you son of a bitch, go away. No one even likes you anyway. And round 3 goes to Ratchet in Operation Gamer, because he was controlling the motherfucker. It's just a bunch of Glove of Doom ammo. you were a wuss, so you get everything that makes you even more of a wuss. So, now that we have what we need here, we never have to come to this hell again. You can literally call it hell because it's surrounded by lava and lava pool. Alright, I should skip these because... Alright, let's go to Orxon. Orxon. The play where you buy cattle. Or was it Orxon or Oxorn? Doesn't give a crap. It's a weird name for a planet. Orxon. So I was wrong on 2 levels. Okay. Let's go, Ratchet. Wait, what? Yeah! Warning, O2 mask required for organic life forms. Can we see Ratchet in the window? Damn, I don't see him. Okay. So yeah, welcome back to playing Clank. So we obviously can't go over there. Alright, to be honest, I love playing as Clank. He's so freaking awesome. He's so tiny, too. He's smaller than the boxes and he's breaking them. Can I buy shit with Clank? Nope, I can only just stare at it, pretend it's my wife. Okay. This video might be a little longer, the second part. I can't get myself to go away. Baby, 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 when all your love is gone. Oh no. What is that thing? Just keep going. Oh, it's a frog. Froggy. Punch you right in the face and you'll explode. Is that alright with you? Hello. Hello, Gadgetbots.
Gadgetbots can't climb, but you can use your enter command to send them into the bot ports.
The bot ports? They can only teleport robots? Can frogs go in? Sweet. Can I go in there? Sweet! Follow me. I am your master. You must obey my every command. Enter the hole. You see that thing right there? Destroy him. One big guy taking down my 3 little guys. Ah, crap. Well, Gadgetbots can be killed. No, I'm not a dumbass. Okay. Die, you little life son of a bitch. Oh god. Those scorpion things, I think they're a bitch to kill with Ratchet too. I hate them. Just sounded like a cat there. Who gives a crap? Alright, before anything starts, I don't know if we have to go in there, so just die. Ah, dang it. Got your back, bruh. Destroy them. I don't care if you're on your lunch break, destroy them all. Yeah, we got 3 of them, boy. Oh no, no, get away from that. It'll give you a cold. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot you can't climb. Because you're a bunch of wimps with no arm. Oh, you don't have arms. Forgot you don't have arms. Why would they make Gadgetbots without arms? Seems cruel. They give Clank arms, why not Gadgetbots? Jump, run, run, run. Is this the last time you play as Clank, or, Yeah, you guys go up there, so I don't have to deal with you. Okay. Is this the last time you play Clank, or is there a, other time you play Clank? I don't remember. Enter the hole. What? Did I miss one? Well, damn, where is he? Oh. You're hiding in the corner. I'm so sorry. Boom. Let's be awesome. Yeah. Alright, just wait right here. I'll get the door. I gotta get the door for the lady. Ah, crap. Well. Just wait right here. Yeah, oh, thanks. Get the door for me. Wait here for a second. Okay. I don't know why I'm jumping. Destroy them. I'm so amazed that my audio isn't cut out yet. You just imagine it cuts out right now. I shouldn't jinx it still. I always want to know, are these like charge stations or something? You hiding in the boxes again, little fella? Okay, so the angry and wait symbol I can get, but the follow symbol is hypnotizing, and then the enter is happy. I can only guess why the enter symbol is a happy face. I should stop with these jokes before someone gets killed. Give me all them bolts. How does Clank have all these abilities? That I want to know that. I mean, he has an enter command. He has. Okay, I'm done with that. Hang on, it gets worse. Punching boxes. First I was boxing and now I'm punching boxes. Seems unfair. Oh. That's gotta be screwing up his Metal Gears.
These Magna Boots are a device designed for climbing special metal surfaces. However, your feet appear to be too small to equip them.
Why would I need them? I'm made of metal. It already looks like I have a pair on right now. Yeah. Magna Boots. If you guys like the episode, like, comment, subscribe, do what you guys do on the YouTube. I'll see you guys later.